The head was severed just under the clavicle, as if he didn't deserve the decency of a clean decapitation. It was my best friend, putrefying in a coffin. We discovered him while clearing houses in the war-ravaged city of the damned. An argument between teammates broke out. In a daze, I stood watch on the door, trying to ignore the stench of rotting gore. Filth covered fatigues, locking eyes with the deceased. In retrospect, I wonder the genesis of these dreams. Scenarios of fantasy based on slivers of reality.